This faceless YouTube channel has made over $2,000 in just a few months by uploading simple AI-generated story videos. No face, no camera, and no advanced editing skills required. One of the videos on this channel alone has over 1 million views, and in total, the channel has crossed 4 million views, which is honestly insane. What most people don't realize is that this exact content style is something I've already talked about before. Back in September 2024, I uploaded a video titled How I Make Monetizable Faceless YouTube Story Channel Automation, and that video alone has gotten over 2.3 million views. In that video, I showed how I was creating viral AI story videos using multiple different tools. I used ChatGPT to generate the scripts and stories, 11 Labs for the voiceovers, Leonardo AI for the images and motion effects, Epidemic Sound for background music, and CapCut for editing everything together. Since then, I've been getting the same question over and over again. People keep asking, can this be done automatically? Is there a faster way? And can I do this using just one tool? So in this video, I want to show you exactly that. First, let's take another quick look at this channel, because the proof matters. Their most popular video has over 1 million views, and in total, the channel has done more than 4 million views. In the past, to create videos like this, they used ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, Leonardo AI for images and motion, Epidemic Sound for background music, and CapCut for editing. That system works, and it's exactly what I explained in my viral video. But today, I want to show you a more automated version of that same process, where instead of juggling 5 different tools, everything is handled in one place. This is where Catalyst AI comes in. Just like before, you start by creating a new YouTube channel. You can use ChatGPT to generate a niche-based channel name, a keyword-optimized description, and relevant channel tags. Then simply paste everything into your channel settings. For branding, you head over to Canva and create a simple logo and banner using YouTube templates. Keep the design clean and minimal. At this stage, clarity is far more important than over-design. Next is video ideas. And this is where most beginners get stuck. You can use ChatGPT to generate short moral stories, quote-based narratives, motivational tales, or emotional storytelling formats. Another smart approach is to analyze fast-growing faceless channels. If you keep seeing the same video format repeated again and again, that's not luck. It's proof that the format works. Now, this is where the process becomes much easier compared to my older workflow. Inside Catalyst AI, you can write your script directly or import it from Word, CSV, or PowerPoint. With one click, Catalyst Storyboard AI automatically breaks your script into characters, scenes, actions, and visual frames. One of the biggest challenges with AI-generated videos is keeping characters consistent throughout the entire video, and Catalyst solves that problem. Your characters remain consistent from start to finish. You can easily adjust camera angles, character poses, framing, and environments without restarting the project. Once you're done, Catalyst's AI Video Studio turns everything into a complete video, including the visuals, voiceover, background music, and sound effects. This is essentially the automated version of the same multi-tool process I explained in my viral video, but simplified into one system. The reason this works so well is because traditional video production takes days, sometimes even weeks. With this setup, you can create videos much faster, which makes it realistic to upload consistently. And consistency is exactly how faceless YouTube channels reach their first $2,000 and beyond. If you're a beginner, here's a simple plan. In week 1, set up your channel, branding, and video ideas. In week 2, create 3 to 5 videos using Catalyst and upload consistently. In the first month, focus on improving your storytelling, analyzing audience retention, and repeating what works. The biggest mistakes to avoid are overcomplicating the process, using too many tools, skipping storytelling, or expecting instant results. Faceless AI channels don't grow through shortcuts. They grow through systems. If you watched my older viral video, this is the next evolution of that exact strategy. Same concept, same monetizable format, but fully automated. If you want to try this out for yourself, I'll leave the Catalyst AI link in the description and in the pinned comment. You'll also get a discount when you use the link, so you can test it out and see if it fits your workflow.